AMC 2021 Problem 7. We have a collection of snakes for Tom, and he observes the following traits. Which of these conclusions can he draw about Tom's snakes? Well, we're told that he has these purple snakes, and he says that he has these happy snakes. So given this information, we can deduce each of their truths. All of his happy snakes can add. So next to happy, I'm going to say yes, they can add. And then none of his purple snakes can subtract, so I'm going to put an X and say subtract. And then all of his snakes that cannot subtract cannot also add. So since purple snakes cannot subtract, that means they cannot add. So X for their add. Now, given the established information, let's look at each choice. Purple snakes can add. Well, we just established that that is false, so we can cross this out. Purple snakes are happy. Well, what are the definitions of a happy snake? Well, happy snakes can add, and purple snakes cannot add. So B is wrong as well. C, snakes that can add are purple. Well, within the purple snake group, they cannot add. And since purple snakes cannot add, snakes that can add are definitely not purple. So C is wrong. Happy snakes are not purple. Well, happy snakes can add, and purple snakes cannot add. So therefore, happy snakes are not purple for now checks out. Let's see if E checks out as well. Happy snakes cannot subtract. Well, we're given that happy snakes can add, and it says here that all his snakes that can subtract also can add. So therefore, the happy snakes must be able to subtract because we're told that can't subtract also can add. We are not given the information of whether happy snakes can subtract or not. So that means E will be wrong as well. So we can say that happy snakes are not purple will be our answer choice. Now, some people will find this a little confusing on why E is wrong. So happy snakes cannot subtract. Well, we were never given the information in the first place. They can or they cannot, because they can only be sub. Like if they cannot subtract, then they cannot add. But we do not know if the vice versa is true or not. So since we're not given that information, we cannot say that E is 100% certain. So therefore, we can cross out E and maintain that D is the correct answer, which is indeed the answer.